why didn't I get promoted?
If this is a question on your mind right now, we recommend that you read Brag, a book by Peggy Kloss.
Brag? What is brag?
Brag is a book that teaches you how to brag about yourself in the right way and learn how to advance in your career.
Is it really important?
It is very important because it's a competitive world out there. Change is the only thing that's constant at work these days, and with all the changes that are happening, there is a bigger need to let people in your organization know who you are and what you're really capable of. And if you don't talk about yourself, then who will? It also helps you get an edge over someone else who's as good as you are at work.
You know what? I always thought a job well done speaks for itself. Bragging is something I do during performance reviews. Humility gets me noticed. Or I don't have to brag about myself. People will do it for me.
Those are some of the most common misconceptions that people have about promotions. But here's a reality check. People forget about all the good things that you do, and so does your manager. And only strong personalities get noticed and remembered. Everyone wants a promotion, so you can guess who they're really bragging about.
So, what do I need to do?
Getting credit and recognition that you want takes a lot of work. It's not just working hard and getting the results that you're supposed to, but it's also about ensuring that the world will find out what you did. To do that, you have to learn to network some more. More people need to know who you are and what you're doing, and especially the leaders, don't miss any opportunities that you can get to connect with them. You also need to create a good impression, a good solid impression while you're networking. How do you do that? You have to be prepared about what you want to say. You have to be able to talk about your name, your title, your responsibilities, and all the great things that you're currently doing at your organization, and say this in the most efficient way, in an effective way, so that you are remembered. You also need to remember to make it meaningful. Ensure that the audience is able to connect with what you're trying to say.
That's a lot. Are you saying if I do all this, I'll get my promotion?
I'm not saying that if you do all of this, you will get a promotion. These do increase your chances at getting a promotion. And you know what? You can do a lot more when you go back home as well. This is the age of social media. You can leverage Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube. You can decide whether you want to be known as someone who's got 3 cars, does a lot of shopping, got a new girlfriend, or you can decide if you want to be an innovator, an inventor, somebody who is doing a lot of social and community work.
You know what? I would like to be this.
So what are you waiting for then? Go get that promotion you always wanted. QPI Square Book Review. If you liked what you just read or heard, tell us what you think about it. If you have other books that you want us to review, write to us at queries@qpisquare.com, and we will incorporate it in the future. QPI Square Consulting specializes in hiring passive candidates.